Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect CS2 skins in game. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So in order to actually test skins in CS2, the first thing we will need to do is go over the community market, and from here we just want to look for whatever skin we are looking to test out. So for me, I want to see what the new knives look like, so I'm just going to type in Doppler and click enter. And then from here we can see a whole bunch of Dopplers that are actually listed on the market. So let's just say I wanted to check out this Ursus knife Doppler. What I would do is go over to where the listing is and just click on it. From here we can scroll down, and then if you hover over any of these options, we can see a little arrow in the bottom right corner on the picture, and then if you do click that, we have the option to inspect in game. So we're going to click that, then open CS2 again, and as you can see, we can now see the Ursus knife Doppler, and we can see it in the light. So as you can see, this looks absolutely amazing in CS2, and this is a good way to check out skins before you actually buy them, just to see what they will end up looking like in game and seeing if they have got that kind of shine to them like this does. So of course this will work off any skin. So let's see what this looks like in game, and then we can load up CS2 again and we can just check this out and see what it's like. And as you can see, it's a really nice skin. So that's exactly how you can test skins in CS2. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.